Today we're taking a closer look at the Imagebon E20, a 10.26-inch Android dash cam and multimedia system designed to upgrade almost any vehicle. This device includes not one, but three built-in systems: Android 13, wireless CarPlay, and wireless Android Auto, giving you full flexibility no matter what smartphone you use. The E20 connects wirelessly through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, letting you access navigation, calls, messages, and music safely and easily. It also supports AirPlay and Android Wireless Mirror, so you can display videos, photos, or apps directly from your phone. With support for online platforms like Netflix and YouTube, your driving experience becomes more entertaining and convenient. The unit includes an external camera for clear recording and monitoring, making it useful for trucks, vans, RVs, and trailers. Google Maps is pre-installed, and you can download more apps directly from the Play Store when connected to Wi-Fi. For audio, the E20 offers 4 different output modes: native sound, FM transmitter, AUX output, and Bluetooth transmitter, ensuring compatibility with any vehicle audio system. With smart navigation, streaming apps, wireless connectivity, and a wide vehicle compatibility range, the Imagebon E20 is one of the most versatile dash cam upgrades available today.